wrestling. Mexican wrestling, right?
Who's agile? Who's agile?
Bring it!
10!
Come on, guys.
10! 10! 10! Big slap him again!
You hurt me, mate.
10!
Put him over the fence.
10! 10! Oh, mate, come on, you gotta hit those chops better. Hit it! Woo! 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 Well, the two only cunts that know what's we want Cena! Cena sucks! Roman Reigns! He's got nothing. He hasn't got a signature move. Hit the Styles Clash! Styles Clash! Nice bump, nice bump.
Are you right, bro? Fucking knew what was good.
We want DB. We want.
Yeah!
Where's our VB?
Amber!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Go again! I'm not even one of those Spanish here. Oh no! Uno! Dos! Tres! Sigue! Let's go, let's go. Nice ball on!
Sorry, Ozzy!
Nice headlock.
Get off, sleeper!
Work out the next spot. Work out the next spot. B. Nice sleeper. That's not bad. Good move. Good backdrop.
I was there when I
Give him the chair. See. Boom. Hey. Boom. Hey. Boom. Hey. Boom. I swear, this fucking BBC that we got dropped in that one. BBC.
Leave me for an Oscar!
You know Sting? You know Earthquake either?
I don't care, man. I'm wrestling fan. I have every right to do.
Oh, rock bottom! Rock bottom.
Don't touch the knuckles.
He showed you, bro.
Oh, great spine buster. Bautista.
You can't see me.
Oh, he's going for no tape. Oh, how you going, Randy Orton? Wait, hitting him.
Oh, no way.
Where's your elbow pad? You're no Rock. You're no Stone Cold either, mate. Good heel work. Hangman the ref. Wait, where's Dusty Rhodes?
You guys are enjoying this lucha.
Dia tagalan ni kinaralan. Sige ang gusto ng tawa na mo. Sikat ka din.
Kaya palang ko.
Dito na to sa kina.
On one, two, got the mark.
That was a fun. No, he threw it. That was the one.